thefts have increased by 56% over the past 2 years. Our solution, an RFID blocking case that prevents keyless car theft, designed with you in mind. Keyblock is easy to use one-handed and leaves you free to open the door whilst carrying your shopping, unlike what's available on the market today. Faraday pouches are the current solution, but they're always bigger than they need to be, made of poor quality materials, and their design leaves a lot to be desired, so we streamlined it, cut the bulk, made it work one-handed, designed it to work alongside your keys and not get in the way, and most importantly, protect you from thieves. We also made sure your other keys are kept separate, which keeps your new car key looking pristine forever. The internal spring keeps your key firmly in place at all times. And you can also make it yours by adding your name, a phone number, or anything in between. Keyblock is designed to be compact and lightweight to keep your daily carry to a minimum, and it also fits perfectly in the palm of your hand, easily slipping into any pocket, keeping your keys secure, and neither do we. You can still attach your extra keys, posh key fob, or something personal to you. We wanted to add in this feature as standard, to keep your life as streamlined as possible. So don't become another statistic. Keep your car safe with Keyblock. Help bring this project to life and back it right here on Kickstarter.
What if you could find anything in seconds? You'd have like a superpower. You may not be able to leap tall buildings, but you could change your world. From a place where things are lost to a place where things are found. And in this world you create, everything is right where it belongs. Phones, keys, wallets, bags, everything that matters to you is found. Welcome to a world with Tile. Lots of important things go missing all the time. Tile locates 500,000 of them every day and helps you find what matters in seconds. Tile is a tiny Bluetooth tracker that helps you find anything, and using Tile is so easy. Just tile it, map it, ring it, and find it. And if it's your phone you're looking for, just press your Tile and it rings your phone, even if it's on silent. Go to gettilenow.com today and tile all the things that matter to you. If you act now, you'll save up to 40% per tile on a multi-pack. You'll also get free shipping and a 30-day money-back guarantee. So go to gettilenow.com and get your tile today. Tile, find what matters.